Here at Nichiha, we pride ourselves on our signature durability with ample aesthetic options so that no matter the project, you can harness the power of possibilities. A part of our wood series, RiftSawn showcases the ridges and unique textures of wood without the drawbacks, expanding the possibilities of your design vision even further. Like the rest of our wood series, RiftSawn is constructed from fiber cement, has a built-in rain screen, and is conveniently installed on our clip system, making for strong and lasting cladding. Constructed from a winning combination of cement, fly ash, silica, recycled materials, and wood fibers, RiftSawn looks like the real thing and performs like cement. Each panel consists of a single plank, making for a sleek, modern look with the warmth and texture of wood. RiftSawn comes in one size, 1818, which speaks to the length in millimeters and converts to roughly 6 feet. This collection is installed horizontally for a classic look. The collection is available in 2 colors, chestnut and pecan. Either color you choose, this collection in the wood series will bring depth to your design with its darker edges, wood grain details, and intentional texture. Both colors offer varying corner and trim options for a complete and polished look. RiftSawn is unique in that it brings the opportunity to have the aesthetic of an open joint system with the performance of a closed joint system. Check out our other videos to compare and contrast RiftSawn with the rest of the wood series collections and find the right wood alternative cladding solution for your project.